As we wrap up our week-long tribute to our nation's capital, we knew we couldn't leave without visiting the Lincoln Memorial. I was in such awe as I stood toe-to-toe with a replica of our 16th president. And when I stood on top of the stairs leading up to the memorial, the same ones where Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his "I Have a Dream" speech, I could see the grandeur of the Washington Monument as it mirrors in the famous reflecting pool. Being there was so inspiring, I knew I needed to highlight one of Honest Abe's favorites. So, after doing a bit of fact-finding, we discovered that President Lincoln's favorite dessert was one that hotel keeper Nancy Breedlove made for him. It was a rich lemon custard pie smothered with toasted meringue. To get the recipe for this presidential classic, head over to our website and look for Lincoln's Lemon Custard Pie. What a week it's been. I hope you had as much fun as we did as we toured and ate our way from one end of the Capitol to the other. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a memorable way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."